Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to solve all the IronSource SDK for Unity problems. First off, I'm going to say that I will use Unity versions this and this. Right now I'm building APK file in this configuration. And what does it mean, build? To build while using this IronSource SDK, you need to have dependencies resolved. And when you build for the very first time, it automatically resolves all your dependencies. But to have it working, you have to have following file in your project's temp folder, and there is folder play services resolver Gradle, and this is the file that you need to have there, because for some reason you may have this file there, but on the very first launch, on every launch of Unity project, opening Unity project, temporary folder gets deleted. So you always have to make sure that you have there this file to have a resolver working. So build, the very first build, it's resolver plus build afterwards. And if you click button build and run, also third stage, it's pushing this Android package to your phone. So after every other step, you have to manually resolve and build. So in my case, we're going to calculate the time it takes to build. Resolve and build. Automatically resolve and then build APK file. So I have here time, and we are going to have a look at properties of the APK file and see. All right, let's wait. Usually it takes 6 minutes, and manually on this with this version it takes 2 minutes for resolve and 2 minutes for build. What IronSource requires from you is having this file, this file in your project's assets folder, IronSource editor. This is the file. Then about those files, this and this. So you click here and here. This is what IronSource requires: custom main manifest, and you have to have this line there, and also you need to click, make sure that you have it like this, and you need to add this line, and you need to make sure that you have API 33 installed. You can install it manually, but you have to restart Unity, or you can install it via Unity. You can go player, settings, you have to go other settings, and you set target API to 33. It will say, do you want to update SDK? You click yes, and it will install through blue screen automatically this API 33 for you. So as you can see, it took me 10 minutes 26 seconds, and then after every such pressing of button, you need to resolve You need to go here and manually resolve. And we are going to calculate the time. It should be 2 stages. First stage, it slowly goes to 100%. And if it stucks here, then you are doomed. You have to play around with those, or you have to watch this video again. If it stucks at 0% right here, then you have this problem. You have a Gradle w.but missing. So it took me a minute 53 to resolve and minute 44 to build. Now I'm trying to resolve this, but this is already broken. So on every of those updates, you need to resolve manually. You have to make sure that it's resolved. You see, it's already broken on this stage. See, every time you open Unity project, this temporary folder gets deleted. So you all the time need to make sure that you have this Gradle, which is part of this folder, right there. So you have to all the time extract it, for example, like I do. So once again, how does it build? It builds only when it's resolved. If it's not resolved, or it's from previous build, the build will be too quick, and you will realize that. So anyway, if your build fails, it may say that right here in error that you have API missing. And what you can do to fix that, you can do this via through CMD, or you can click right here. For example, it says you have API 33 missing. You click it here, you click build, it asks you, do you want to update? You say yeah, it will install it through automatic blue screen for you, and it will be good. Now we are going to calculate how much time it takes to build in this configuration. Build for 4 minutes 57 seconds.